Kia ako I ngā whawhai o ki tūpuna o te reo.
I am really excited to learn because as tangata whenua, reconnecting with my history and learning that history is really important to me.
Creating that sense of I belong here, I have a voice here, and I can use that for good. You know, that's what's at stake. I recall a Year 13 wahine Māori struggling with this kaitiakitanga unit. She was grappling with the realisation that here she was in the last year of her schooling and nobody had taught her this before. And so that's what's happened for far too long, and that's what this curriculum has the potential to truly disrupt.
E tika ana kia mārama pai ngā tamariki katoa o Aotearoa ki ngā āhuatanga o Aotearoa. Hei tuāpapa noa kia pai ai tā rātou a koke whakamua I roto I te ao.
E Pitihana Reo Māori, te tiriti o Waitangi me te orokohanga mai o te ao Māori.
E tino pirangi ana o te ako mo te petihana, e ngā āhuatanga hohonu o te petihana, ngā mea katoa, piringa ako I ngā mea katoa.
Ko te tino manako ka kitea e rātou he hua o te whakaako o te whakamārama I ngā āhuatanga katoa kua pā mai ki Aotearoa. Kaua noa e whakawhirinaki ki ngā momo hitori te Pākehā me te tirohanga a te Pākehā noiho. Nā te mea ko te māramatanga o te tamaiti ki tōna ao, te tino pūtake.
It's got the potential to be a healing curriculum, a reconciliatory space, because I don't think you can move on from a history as brutal as ours without confronting it and having your partner understand it from your perspective.
It's quite interesting to me to see how New Zealand was before British and European colonialism and the rise of Christianity.
It's really important to recognise our country's wrongdoings in history.
I think all of these topics just deserve far more attention, and bringing them forward is a really important thing.
There's quite a bit of work and there's going to be a lot of steps in between. But I think as a nation we're mature enough now to be able to start that part of the journey.